Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin weekly analysis and daily analysis for today, Monday, 9th of December of 2024. Well, last week we talked about that since Bitcoin created this candle with this huge wick, we marked this midpoint of the wick, and we talk about that if Bitcoin want to retrace, this point should be the should be respected, and basically it happens. Bitcoin respected this point and closed the first time over the first time a weekly candle over 100K, and the one important thing, of course, over the psychological close over the 100K is super important. But for me, it's most important that it closed the over the high of the Monday, the week of the Monday 18th of November, because that confirms that Bitcoin will continue going up. And one important thing about this weekly candle that we just closed is that it respect the midpoint of this whole candle that is around here. So respect the wick to the downside and respect the midpoint of the candle. And usually when that happens, when Bitcoin respect the midpoint of the candle, there's at least two candles to the upside, and that make me think and predict that this week Bitcoin is highly likely that we will have a bullish candle because we close over the high, we respect the midpoint of this candle, respect the midpoint of the wick to the downside, and we close a bullish candle that has a big body and over this high. So basically just a super bullish continuation. Bitcoin just swiped the low of the week from the Monday 25 of November. That is good too, because when usually pick up liquidity, there's a movement in the opposite direction. So basically all the things are aligned that Bitcoin will go up. And if we make this comparison, because I'm looking for patterns. Last week we talked about that the 100K of Bitcoin were imminent. Well, basically it happened, and we talked about we were in this kind of zone. And if you see, this candle is like this. This candle is like these two candles. Basically, these two candles is kind of a mix in this candle. So I'm expecting at least 1 or 2 weeks more to the upside. Then I'm expecting some kind of sideways action, and the sideways action or upside until the U.S. presidential assumption of Donald Trump, the 20th of January. Basically, I'm looking for a upside or sideways action up to that date. After that day, I'm expect a little downside, and then in February going up, replicating this kind of movement. I'm expecting to replicate this kind of movement around the first days of February, around here, I think, for around here. Of course, starting from a little up, not so down. So basically, guys, I'm super bullish for this week. Bitcoin price is pumping, was pumping this Sunday, so we will go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. A few days ago, I told you in the video, after this huge week, we talk about that Bitcoin should touch one of these points, basically touch the high, and we said that since Bitcoin create this huge candle, it passed this order block and basically invert this order block. Bitcoin will continue grinding up slowly to the upside, and I think that is what Bitcoin will do. In the daily candle of today, Monday, there's a chance that Bitcoin retrace, for example, to retrace to the midpoint of this candle. That is, let me mark it, $183.7. $183.7. This is the midpoint of the candle, of the blue candle. let me mark it. This basically the consequent encroachment of the candle. This is a possible zone of retracement if Bitcoin want to retrace today, Monday. And we talk about that this order block should be respected. And basically, Bitcoin just almost touched it. Just almost arrived for a few dollars, less than, I don't know, was the low was 709, and this order block that we marked was 69, well, $50 away from this point. Basically, if Bitcoin wants to retrace a little more than this zone, should swipe this liquidity, touch this order block that we have with the red line, and continue going up. But I don't think Bitcoin will do that. I think Bitcoin will just go maybe to here and then continue going up. It will close over this zone and over this high, and that should be super, super bullish. I'm expecting big candles this week. Basically, the during the whole week I'm expecting big candles. I'm expecting for the weekly time frame, I'm expecting about from the open around five five to 9% to the upside, basically, guys. 5 to 9% to the upside in the weekly time frame. And in the daily time frame, I'm just expecting that Bitcoin for this Monday to close over the high of the Friday and over this midpoint of this huge wick that we had the Thursday. So basically, this is the analysis, guy. Continue being bullish. We're just looking for a possible retracements in these zones, and the weekly candle continue being bullish. The weekly time frame, sorry, for at least 1 or 2 weeks more, and then a step up to the midpoint of the mid-December or the third week of December. Okay, guys, this is the analysis. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.